All right, guys, deciding to make a video on this because this is the second time today that I have replaced a VCM in one of these Indian heavyweights because someone tried to replace their battery and didn't know what they're doing. So this will be a how to change your battery for, under $1,000. That way you don't mess up your parts. So first off, remove your seat. I've already taken my bolts out. And remove your seat, set it aside. We have the right way to do this and the wrong way to do this. Now the wrong way is to remove these 4 individual screws and remove the VCM off the tray where it's unprotected and you lose the ground. Now this customer really messed up where he accidentally put the ground for the VCM to the battery. Should never. This set of black wires here should always be grounded here. So we're gonna take some stuff apart and we're gonna fix some stuff. Ultimately what this results in is a bike that's totally unresponsive. You can't power it up, you can't do anything. So take the screw out. And that's the only one that you should normally ever take out. And you notice how I shifted that at an angle and then removed it? That's all you need to do, okay? Now, this guy also replaced his battery because, must have been dead, whatever, that's fine. You can't always trust a brand new battery. This happens to be a brand new battery that's also junk. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it again with a good battery that we've tested. I did test his currently installed brand new battery and it failed. That was tight. It's always good to have your cables good and tight too. You don't need any electrical issues created by those being loose. Let's see here. Try and get this off of here. There we go. New battery, old battery. Hopefully I can get this out with one hand easy enough. Here we go. Battery. Rock. Always check in there. This one had a rock sitting down there, so it's always good to take that out before you happen to lose it somewhere that you don't want. Battery nuts. Goes right back in here. And new battery in. There we go. Okay. Oh man, I just put that in backwards. Try again. Trying to watch what I'm doing on the video and not paying attention. But cables actually only reach this direction. So if you do what this customer accidentally did, it winds up costing you about $700 for the new VCM. And no one actually wants to pay $700 for an extra VCM when they didn't need it. I guess we got help here from Chase today. Get to replace this a little bit easier. So now that the battery is replaced, we're gonna unplug our VCM. We're gonna remove it from the tray. And we'll get our new VCM in here, which now this VCM I've already programmed. You have to program a fob number to it. Which is kind of important if you want your key fob to work. And it also has a new master pin, so you'll need to get that out of it as well before you're able to actually use it. You're always going to want to make sure that this ground always stays on your VCM. You should never need to remove this VCM from the tray, unless of course you're replacing it like we are here, but you customers at home shouldn't be doing this. This is the only bolt you need to remove the whole tray to get to your battery. So now we should be able to start this bike up. We're able to power it up. As you can see, it's now awake. And we should be able to just fire it up. We're in neutral. Picked up the key fob. Here we are running. So the only thing left is put the seat on it, put the side covers on it, and you're good to go. This is the way to save yourself $500. Change your battery the right way and you'll be thankful you did. Really only putting this out there to try and save you guys some headache, because like I said, this is the second one I've done today and it's terribly expensive for the customer to replace these parts. Thanks guys. Like and subscribe. Send me some love, please. Take it easy. Bye-bye.